everybody. My name is Kevin Campos. I'm sure you've seen me off of one of my webinars or my YouTube videos, but either way, I want to tell you that I have been working with some of the best AI companies that the world has honestly ever seen, and I want to make sure you guys know the difference between a voice AI employee and a real human employee making calls. Now, there's going to be a lot of diversity with these two subjects in the next few years, so I want to make sure that you guys make the correct decision in moving forward with the one that's actually going to get you the scalable potential that you want for your business. Now, I'm going to be talking about three main things, right? Three main topics. First one, efficiency, availability, and scalability. That is the first one that we're going to be talking about because it is crucial to be able to scale, it's crucial to be available, and it's crucial to do everything efficiently. Now, secondly, cost effectiveness and customization, right? We want to make sure that whatever is going to bring you forward in scaling, right, you have it in a cost effective way. Now, third off, customer experience and adaptability. What is going to bring the best customer experience for the end user? Right? The person that's going to be making the calls or receiving the calls from the AI or real human. Now, let's get straight into it and make sure that you make the right decision. Let's go. Now let's start off with topic number one, right? Efficiency, scalability, and availability, right? Now, I want you to understand that the voice AI, right? And I'm going to number these down. The voice AI can handle unlimited calls simultaneously, reducing downtime and increasing productivity. As you may already know, if you are a big business or are working with clients that have big businesses, this is extremely crucial because this is probably something that's already digging into their staff. Second off, it works 24/7, right? So it has unlimited capabilities to be available, right? You want to make sure that every single time that a customer or someone has a question about your business, you want to be able to answer that immediately. Now, how do you do that? You definitely do not do that with a real human. You do that with an AI that's capable of answering a call 24/7 no matter what. Then it's going to be easy to scale, right? This is another bullet point. The voice AI is going to be super easy to scale because it really only takes one single voice AI to do the job of 1,000 human employees. Now, this may seem ridiculous, but in reality, it is not. It can handle as many calls as you really want it to, and it will also make hundreds of actions in a single call if you really need it to. Then we have human employees, right? So for human employees, it's kind of limited by the number of calls they can handle, and not to mention they also need breaks, they need vacation time, and if they ever get sick, you already know the gist of that. So not only that, right? It also requires hiring additional staff to scale up. If you really want to go ahead and get to the level that you want to with your business, you're going to need to hire more people, which means you're going to need to be spending a lot more money. Obviously, with voice AI, that wouldn't happen. I'm sure you guys are trying to are already understanding the gist of all of this. Now, lastly, it's kind of hard to have a human available 24/7. Of course, you're going to need multiple humans in order to be able to do that, further increasing the price that you're going to be paying. However, the availability is super limited. They're not going to be available 24/7. They're not going to be able to answer the questions specifically from the policy that you can easily prompt to the AI. They're not going to know that unless they study that for hours and hours and hours, when in reality, with a voice AI, you can easily prompt that in, and then it already knows your entire policy and can answer everything perfectly every single time. Now, moving on, right? We're going to be talking about cost effectiveness and customization. Now, for the voice AI operates at lower ongoing cost with no need for salaries, no need for bonuses, no need for benefits whatsoever. It's literally a robot that you're working with. So I want you guys to understand that as well. So not only that, right? It's basically customizable to specific business needs. Whatever you want the AI to do for your business, the AI will be able to do for your business as long as it contains, right, within a call. Now, lastly, a human employee, right? comes with ongoing expenses like salaries, benefits, and all that stuff. And it's further going to increase the amount that you're spending for each of these guys. Right? Not to mention, you have to keep a relationship, and you also have to make sure that they're happy all the time, that they like their job. All that stuff is super crucial when it comes down to hiring an employee that is a human, right? Now, lastly, we have customer experience and adaptability. Now, for customer experience with a voice AI employee, this is when it may differ a little bit between a human employee. So, a voice AI employee is able to provide quick, consistent responses and automate tasks seamlessly, which means, for example, if a telecom company could use a voice AI to upsell customers on service grades during support calls, offering personalized and recommendations based on their account data through API integrations, then you're capable of doing that super easily with an AI. However, if you were to do that with a human, it's going to be a little bit different, right? You're going to have to teach that person how to be able to do it every single time until they learn it and they're actually able to integrate with those applications that you may be using, right? It's a little bit manual, and you won't be able to handle hundreds of calls at the same time unless you have around hundreds of employees. It's a little bit different, right? Now, another thing with voice AI is that it can be instantly updated to reflect new products, services, or policies with no learning curve or training needed at all. While on the other hand, for humans, it does require ongoing training all the time. You want to make sure that they know all the policies at every single given moment, so that way it's able to reply with the correct products, it's able to reply with correct refund policies, anything that you may have for your business. They need to know and they need to learn, and it may take time to do that. So, with that being said, right, I'm sure you understand that the voice AI employee has much more benefits than a human employee for obviously calls. So to make sure that you make the correct decision, I want to lead you down the right path with voice AI employees. I've made multiple courses, I've made multiple videos that show you guys how to use these voice AI employees. My current favorite platform at the moment is Synthflow, and Synthflow has been doing an absolutely amazing job. You're able to white label every single sub account or everything that you want to do for your business, and you're able to create these voice AI employees with absolutely no code whatsoever. And of course, you'll have me to help you out with any single doubt that you may have throughout the way, further improving your experience. So with that being said, I really look forward to you guys making the correct decision. I would not be surprised if 5 years from now, I will see over 1 million businesses already with voice AI included in their own business, in further integrating their entire process and making it all seamless. So with that being said, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.